Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, please consider subscribing, hitting the thumbs up, and go ahead and leave a comment about this video. So if you saw my previous video, and I'll put a link, I don't know, it'll be somewhere up here because I can never remember my left or my right. You saw that last week we had a giveaway or running a giveaway for a pair of Indge Ridge gloves. The answer to the contest, which at no point in this is a mystery anymore, is ROD Velarde is the artist that did Under the Watchful Eye for Indge Ridge's boxes. As soon as I put out that video, within 15 minutes, Rod emailed me and said, Bri, how can I help this contest? What can I do to be part of this contest? And I said, well, I'm a fan of your art. I just had you as the answer because I wanted to bring attention to the work that you do. He says, well, I want to do something a little special for your contest. And I want to include a piece of original artwork for the winner that wins the pair of gloves. So this is the work that he's done for Indge Ridge. You can go on Indge Ridge's website. There's 4 different prints, I believe, that you can purchase from Indge Ridge. I'm also going to put Rod's contact information for Instagram. That is the only way to contact him if you're interested in checking out his Instagram page, which I'd greatly appreciate it from me to you if you did. You can purchase his original artwork and have a piece of unique art for yourself. Now, before I show you what Rod sent me, he did this original piece of artwork for me. This is all his work. I think this is amazing. I'm going to frame this and hang it in my office, my studio. He signed it on the back for me. And the detail in this art is simply amazing. He just does fantastic work. He does it in an older style American Indian artwork. I love his work. He also did this for me, which I think is absolutely amazing. I want to see if there's a way to get this included in my video titles. And you can see on the back, it's got the Batman sticker that he did the artwork for and signed. And for Katie, because Katie is a Baby Yoda nut, he did a Grogu for her. This is all original artwork, amazingly detailed, and we're huge fans of his work. And he signed it and sent Katie a little message on the bottom there. I thought it was great. So what makes the Indge Ridge community to me so unique, and what makes the YouTube community so unique? Everybody seems to be connected and everybody wants to help out everybody. And this to me was that perfect example of someone wanting to pay it forward. I used Rod as the answer for this question because I wanted him to get the recognition for his art. And I thought it would be a great way to not only draw attention to the Indge Ridge website, but to draw attention to his artwork. So this is the package he sent me. I cut the top open just so I didn't have to fumble around and cut it with a knife. Well, I opened it for you guys, but I have not seen this yet, and I'm super excited to see what's in here. So this showed up today. I'm recording this Sunday night, or Saturday night rather. This showed up this morning. I had no idea it was coming, and I can't wait to see what's in this. So let's go ahead and open it. Oh, wow. So as you see in the beginning of all my videos, I like to say not all that wander are lost. It's a little bit of a twist on the all who wander are not lost from the Lord of the Rings. But this is the print that he did for the contest. And you can see it is signed by him on the bottom here. And this is just some amazing, the detail in this print. The video will do this no justice. I'm going to hold this up and show you, but the detail in this is just simply amazing. And it looks like there is another print in here, so let me unbox this very gently. Wow. Huh. Rod, I gotta say, buddy, when you watch this, the smile on my face does not tell you how excited I am. I'm at an absolute loss for words. This is simply amazing. This is truly a one-of-a-kind piece of art that you're going to get with the contest. If you win the pair of gloves, you're going to have a choice between either one of these prints. You can pick out the size of the gloves you want, the style of the gloves you want, and then tell me which one of these 2 prints you'd like to receive, and I'll send them to you with your gloves if you win. The way to win is going to be, again, to go to the link here and enter Rod Velarde's name, and that will enter you in the contest. I don't remember the date off the top of my head that the contest ends, but it's in like 2 or 3 weeks. Wow. This is simply amazing, amazing piece of work here. Rod just does fantastic work, and I can't say enough about him as an individual. And the fact that he reached out on his own and wanted to be part of this contest, and these showed up at my house completely unknowns to me that these were coming, really speaks volumes to him. So I would appreciate if you enter the contest. I'd also appreciate it if you go to Indge Ridge's website and check out the limited edition run of prints that they have. And I'd also appreciate it if you'd follow him on Instagram. And as an added bonus, please go ahead and follow, and I'll put that in the comments, Danger Rabbit, which is his son. He does some great TikToks. He does some fantastic skits on Instagram as well and TikTok. Both of those guys are fantastic. But if you would consider following Rod on Instagram, and if there's a piece of art like this that you like, I'd greatly appreciate it if you went and purchased it. It would mean the world to me that you're supporting one of my favorite artists. Like I said, this is literally a one-of-one piece of art that's going to be included with the contest. In speaking with Indge Ridge today, I was saying to them that the best part about Indge Ridge is the community that we've built, and so many people that are part of the Indge Ridge community, like Rod, that are just amazingly talented, like Risk, that just have become part of the Indge Ridge community. So I don't even know what else to say. I mean, this has made my day and then some too. Like I said, I knew this was coming. I didn't know how soon it was going to, I knew that something was in the works, but I didn't know this had shipped and shown up to the house, and I hadn't seen proofs of it. So Rod, from the bottom of my heart, thank you so much for supporting my channel. And a huge thanks to Indge Ridge for continuing to support my channel and being part of the glove contest. So if you haven't entered already, please consider doing so. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Subscribing, giving it a thumbs up, and commenting are the 3 things you can do that are absolutely free that help my channel grow and help me provide not only content, but help my channel grow and to engage with sponsors and do reviews. That is something I'm very passionate about. And seeing this kind of engagement from someone that follows my channel, that wants to support it, it means more to me than money. So I hope you all are well. I hope you're going to enter that contest. Please, please, please check out his work on Indge Ridge and consider buying it. And also follow Rod on Instagram and tell him if you do purchase anything that you saw this video, and thank him so much for supporting my channel. I hope you guys are all well. Thank you very much. And please remember, you're not alone. Thanks for watching.